I am glad that you are ready to forget the past. Let's go from here now.
Before we go out of here, I want to know something. What happened to the wolf?
It's a long story, Pakistan. The whole earth has been changed. Let's get out of here first. Then I will tell what's going on.
Okay. Now, give me back my land, India.
Yeah. Take your land.
Nice try, India. But releasing Pakistan from prison will not save you from me.
Who are you?
Hey buddy, how can you forget me?
He is Turkey, Pakistan.
Turkey is no more. Call me Ottoman Empire now.
Yeah, whatever.
Wow, Turkey. You've become so much stronger. I'm glad I'm your friend.
He said you Turkey too. Won't you say something to him?
Shut up. India, he is my friend. He can call me anything.
Even idiot?
You said something.
Nope. You both carry on.
Turkey, India is our friend too. From now.
India is not our friend. He is just using you.
Using me?
Yes. I invaded some land of India. He thought if he release you from prison, I will leave him.
You really think I would do such drama to save myself? You know what? If you want to fight, then let's do it.
I am born ready.
What are you doing, India? Let's handle this peacefully. It's too late. It's a matter of self-respect. It's time to end the Ottoman Empire.
What happened to India? Why is he talking to himself?
Ignore him, Pakistan. He became mad after the Wolf King dynasty, and Soviet Union left him.
Shut up, Ottoman Empire.
Shout out to